Hooty-hoo. How we going? Right there.
Oh my god, you're smart. You set it on something other than you.
Shut up. If I can angle that right. Good. You went high, low.
I'm just shooting it straight.
Oh yeah,
Separate those for me.
Shut up.
Stick them on me. Why would you tie them together?
Yeah, so I can light them up together.
Oh. Being smart. I'd rather it come out soon and shoot separate, because if they both lit up and they're not going to shoot separate.
Well, at least let the match move on. Stay together. That's all I need. Let's go, too. See, we can say we're the jackasses of Louisville.
We ain't that jackass.
Yeah, kind of was.
Oh my god, guys, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this?
Let's say I was a jackass. Mike.
Hold on, we need that, yeah, we got those. So don't die.
Oh, God, it's coming right like a motherfucker.
I'm not trying to have my arm hurt.
It won't burn your arm.
You know, I'm over exaggerating. This is what black people do.
I ain't really black.
Secret missile. One of them done it. Oh no! Ah! Son of a fucking bitch. This one didn't blow up all the way. Naughty you. We're just gonna have to shoot you like a normal missile.
Hope they didn't see me duck. Hope the camera didn't see me duck. Real G's dip.
Boosh!
That's how you do it, kids. Don't do it at home, okay? Even though I did it.